あいつらの家は確か
Blame on me. Can't hold back. Holding on for a minute. Oh, running in.
Chainsaw Man's animation emphasizes fluidity, making the characters' movements smooth and natural. The dynamic motion during fight scenes captures the audience's attention and keeps them engaged. Fluid animation enhances the impact of every punch, kick, and action, elevating the intensity of the battles. Framing and composition. The anime uses clever framing and composition techniques to direct the viewer's focus to critical elements of the scene. Close-ups during combat highlight the character's emotions and expressions, intensifying the emotional connection with the audience. Wide shots showcase the entire fight sequence, providing a broader context and a better understanding of the stakes. Creative use of perspective. Chainsaw Man employs a variety of perspectives, giving a fresh and dynamic feel to the animation. Unconventional camera angles add depth and visual interest to the scenes. Unique perspectives in fight sequences heighten the tension and excitement, making the viewer feel immersed in the action. Strategic pacing. The animation's pacing plays a crucial role in building tension during fights. Speeding up and slowing down the action at strategic moments intensify the impact of key movements and attacks. Effective pacing creates a rhythm that resonates with the audience, making the fight scenes truly captivating. Humanly intimate moments. Chainsaw Man's animation excels not only in action, but also in capturing human emotions and intimacy. Scenes featuring Makima, such as with the character Dami Mami, are carefully crafted to be emotionally impactful. Intimate moments are rendered with subtle yet expressive animation, drawing the viewer into the character's feelings and experiences. Chainsaw Man thrives on the depth and complexity of its characters. From the protagonist Denji to the enigmatic Makima, each one is uniquely crafted with layers of emotions, flaws, and dreams. This multidimensional approach allows the audience to relate to their struggles, making them more than just fictional creations. Makima, the enigmatic and manipulative antagonist, stands as a testament to the visual storytelling in Chainsaw Man. Her elegant and composed appearance conceals her true intentions and immense power. The character design perfectly complements her role as a puppet master, manipulating events from the shadows.
指の長さはどれくらい?
Man's animation is a true masterpiece that skillfully guides the viewer's eye through fight scenes and humanly intimate moments. Its fluid motion, creative framing, unique perspectives, and strategic pacing combine to create an eye-catching and emotionally resonant experience. The anime's attention to detail elevates the storytelling, making Chainsaw Man an exceptional and unforgettable animated series.
私だってわかるくらいに覚えて。
Faces, running in faces, different faces, all nowhere.